Part 2 of Global Africa. So our subunit, which is storage in a box, different types of panels, different thicknesses. We use EPS, polyurethane, we can even use a PRR or rock wool. Different finishes on the window. We have two finishes on this unit. We have a rough texture on the white wall. We have the sand unit. Our LSF chassis at the bottom is a product we use. New product that we brought in is GeoHex for soil reduction and movement underneath the unit. As we walk into the unit, you'll have a look. We've got different purposes. We've built in a kitchen on this unit, moving over to an office side, different windows, obviously different floors. That's rubberizing, PVC tiles, normal floor tiles finished. Moving into a bedroom section with carpets and with an ensuite bathroom in the unit, which we've painted as well. Finished with tiles. Very nice shower. Hopefully the picture shows justice of it.